Made it to K-Town. Gonna go grab myself a drink first and then we can go get my keys. I live right across the street from Domo now and it's my favorite. I also got my cashier check because you need one to move in. We're gonna go to the rooftop before we start unpacking. This way. These are our amenities. It's really cute out here. This is where I'm gonna be taking Maylee because I'm not gonna walk the streets of Koreatown, so. So now I'm gonna give y'all a little tour. As I can read by the title, I am gonna be giving y'all an empty apartment tour. I'm so excited because this is my first apartment that I'm gonna be living alone. So yeah, that's gonna be fun. This apartment just opened, so it's brand new. I'm the first tenant to live here, and I think I'm like the 5th person to live in this whole entire building, so that's kind of funny. But yes, I'm gonna give y'all an apartment tour, and Maylee's over here low-key falling asleep. So this is how you enter, and as you walk in, the first thing you kind of see, I guess, is this, which is my washer and dryer, which I'm so happy about because I did not get a washer and dryer the last time I lived in K-Town, so yeah, I'm super excited about that. And then you have the fridge right here, and it's a very big fridge. It does not have a water filter, so I love this kind of fridge because I feel like you need more. It's just so much bigger. And then the freezer is down here. And then this is the overview of my kitchen. It's pretty small, but it does what it needs to do. So cute. I love the layout. It's kind of like the same layout as my other K-Town apartment. And then you pan over, and this is the living room. It's a pretty spacious living room, right? She's over here chilling. She's over here chilling. She's over here chilling, huh? Do you like your new apartment, Maylee? This is honestly a pretty nice kitchen. Yeah, I just love the wood cabinets and then the white shelves. Right, Amy? You like this? The appliances are all new. Honestly, I know this is like a thing. I really like my gas stove, but it's just so hard to clean. So I'm glad that I have electric stove again. But I just love my kitchen because look, I just love this wood layout. And since I don't have an island, I'm thinking about maybe finally getting a dining table. We have a balcony, which I'm excited. You wanna come out? But this is our view, which is so pretty. It's really foggy right now in LA, but it's a pretty nice view. Okay, come on. You wanna come back in? No? But yeah, so this is the overview. So I basically have a hallway and you walk down. So this was the entrance door, and let's go over here. So over here is the bathroom, which I love this mirror so much. It's, I'm gonna do my makeup here. I literally did my makeup this morning here, but so freaking cute. And toilet, and this is just the tub. Alright, so when you walk out, there's a little thermostat. When you walk out, there's another door right beside it, and this is just a closet or extra storage closet, which I'm definitely gonna need. And then you come over here and this is where my bedroom is. I love this apartment because the walls are so high up. Yeah, the walls are just so high, but yeah, this is the bedroom. It's a pretty good sized bedroom. I feel like it's kind of the same size as last time, but and then we have the closet over here, which I'm not gonna lie, the closet is so small, so I'm definitely gonna have to get some more storage or a dresser. Alright, so I think that's gonna be it for the apartment tour. I hope y'all liked it, and I'm so excited. I feel like I'll be more happier living in LA again. OC was really nice and quiet, but yeah, I'm excited. And like I said, this is my first apartment where I'm gonna be living by myself, so let's make the best out of it, right, Amy? Yeah. Alright, but yeah, subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Bye y'all!